Could this roaring pit be the actual gate of hell? Burning non-stop for over 50 years, this fiery wonder in Turkmenistan has baffled and thrilled explorers worldwide. Stick around, because we're about to uncover the astonishing story behind the Darvaza Gas Crater and why it might just blow your mind. Hey there, curious travelers. Welcome to Channel Name, your go-to spot for the planet's most jaw-dropping, unbelievable travel stories. If you love discovering hidden gems and astonishing places, subscribe now and hit that notification bell. Today, we're diving into Turkmenistan's blazing desert to explore the infamous Gate of Hell. Let's get started. So, how did a massive, flaming crater end up in the middle of nowhere? Back in 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas in the Karakum desert. Suddenly, the ground collapsed, revealing a gigantic pocket of methane gas. Fearing a toxic gas leak, the team decided to ignite the methane, thinking it would burn off in a few days. But decades later, the flames are still raging. What was meant to be a temporary fix turned into an eternal blaze, creating one of Earth's most astonishing natural wonders. Imagine planning a quick solution and inadvertently creating a blazing pit that defies logic and time. Whether it was sheer luck or an unexpected abundance of gas, Darvaza stands as a testament to how unpredictable and powerful our planet can be. Why do people keep coming back to Darvaza? It's more than just a fiery pit. It's a symbol of Earth's untamed beauty and unpredictable power. Standing at its edge, you're witnessing a phenomenon that defies logic and ignites the imagination. For many, it's a bucket list experience, a chance to connect with nature in its most raw and unfiltered form. The intense flames against the vast desert backdrop create a surreal and captivating sight. Visitors often describe the moment as transformative, feeling both humble and empowered by the sheer force of nature. It's a place where science meets legend and reality blurs into myth, making every visit an unforgettable adventure. So, are these the real gates of hell, or just a wild accident that never stopped burning? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this fiery tale sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into Earth's most astonishing wonders. Thanks for joining us on this blazing journey. Until next time, stay curious, pack our bags, and keep exploring.